Hey guys, thanks for coming back and joining me. For all you new people out there, this is going to be a review as well as a unboxing for a 280 LED solar light. This light is an outdoor light, but what makes it stand out is the main feature, which is that it has a wide angle for the sensors. Now when I say wide angle, I mean 300 degrees. Most other lights out there only capture about 160 to 180 degrees of motion. So this means that this one should have no problem picking up motion directly in front, below, and to the sides. So let's get to this. Now what should be catching your eye right away is the two sensors on either side of this light. This is how they accomplish the 300 degree motion sensing. Now, as a solar light, it's got panels facing down and to the side, the power button directly in the middle. That'll change its modes. It does come with mounting hardware. The solar panel, as it should be, is mounted at the top. This will allow it to catch all those beautiful rays, which will power up the battery inside and will allow this light to light up your life at night. Now this does come in a double pack. That way you can have your cake and eat it too. The reason being because they want you to be able to not just have light where you need it, but also where you want it. And by having two, this allows you to accomplish that. Now this light does have 3 lighting modes that we'll go ahead and actually show in this video. The first one is going to be constant low mode. So the light should be lighting up the path on low brightness, allowing anything that is nearby to be seen. The second stage and setting is going to be low then bright when it senses motion. This will allow the light to turn to high or bright whenever anything passes in front of the sensors. And the final mode is going to be dark then bright. This allows the light to be completely unseen until something passes nearby, at which time it will light to full brightness and be able to light up the entire area. Alright guys, with everything we've said so far, let's just go ahead and keep that in mind. We're going to go ahead and be installing these, and then you can see them in the real world as to how they're going to do and whether these lights are for you. Alright, well, let's go ahead and transition over. So here it is mounted up top. I decided to go with the 1 screw system. You go ahead and place the screw directly at the center on the very top of it. You can use double-sided tape as an alternative. Now let's go ahead and get to see how it looks at night. Now here are the lights set to motion only. As soon as they pick up motion, they light up in front, below, and to the sides thanks to all the light panels. The great thing about this is that these lights have such a large motion sensing area thanks to the dual sensors that they pick up motion virtually everywhere around them easily. Alright guys, time for some slow motion fun.